So we're going to extend on multiplying radicals, and this is where you're going to use the FOIL method. So we're going to do the same steps where you'll have to do the first, outer, inner, last, and we're always going to simplify to finalize our answer. So I'm going to do my first term. So this is basically saying 2 times 1, so it's 2. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25. I'm going to do my outer. So I would do 2 times 2, which is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. So I'm good there. I'm going to do my inner. So I have a negative 1 times a positive 1, so just negative. Square root of 15. Then I'm going to take a negative 1 times a positive 2. So that's going to be a negative 2. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9. I'm now going to simplify. So right now, square root of 25 is 5. So that's 2 times 5, which is going to give me 10. So far I have 10. I have plus, because I can't do anything with that one, so 4 square root of 15 minus square root of 15. And then I have negative 2. The square root of 9 is 3, so that would be negative 2 times 3, which would be negative 6. I'm now going to combine like terms. So I have 10 minus 6, which is going to give me 4. And then I have 4 square root 15 minus 1 square root 15, which is going to give me a positive 3 square root 15. That is going to be my final answer. It doesn't matter the order that it's in. It just has to make sure that, so you could have had 3 square root 15 plus 4, and that would have worked as well. Okay, my next example, I'm going to do the same thing. So I got my first terms. So that's going to be 3 square root 25, because 5 times 5. My outside, so when you just have a number without a radical, you're just going to multiply the front term. So it's going to be plus 6 square root 5, because 3 times 2 is 6 square root 5. This is going to be minus 4 square root 5. And then this is going to be minus 8. So I'm going to see if I can simplify any of these. So far, the only one I can simplify is this. So 3 times 5 is 15. Then I have plus 6 square root 5 minus 4 square root 5 minus 8. I'm going to combine like terms. So I get 7. I'm also going to combine these like terms. And I get plus 2 square root 5. That's going to be my final answer. And I'm good to go.